2008. Designed to, I think, come out this bit here. Posts all can be removed, all galvanised. Unbolt them, slip them out to whatever suits. Trailer's very tidy for the age. Plenty of life left in it yet. Could be painted in the top half if required in-house. Step on both sides. We have the poles in the toolbox for that side as well. Step. The tanks are on the outside. Not a chance to wash this yet. So it's on 265 70 19.5s. Good strong side drave on it. It's more a channel side drave than an angle as well. Chassis is in fair condition for what it is. Box, spare post and handrails. Floor's good in it as well.